During deep rest, the brain transitions from active processing to consolidation and repair. Neuroactivity decreases in areas associated with focus and attention during rest. The default mode network, DMN, becomes more active during deep rest. This shift facilitates memory consolidation and emotional processing. Deep rest contributes to mental clarity and cognitive restoration. Deep rest allows the body to repair tissues, reduce inflammation, and replenish energy reserves. During rest, heart rate and breathing slow, blood pressure decreases, and growth hormones are released. Growth hormones promote muscle repair and cellular regeneration during deep rest. This physiological slowdown during rest supports physical recovery and overall health. Integrating mental and physical recovery during deep rest is crucial for overall well-being. During deep rest, the brain processes emotions and consolidates memories, while the body repairs and regenerates. Synchronized recovery enhances cognitive function, reduces stress, and improves physical performance. Deep rest demonstrates the holistic benefits of integrated mental and physical recovery.